Okay, also gonna wait on the dash cam at this other wash me. Last time I came here a couple years ago, the automatic was coned. I gotta see if this is working first. It looks like it is, so that's good. Alright, 3, 2. Dash cam is rolling. So yeah, we're at another Wash Me in Loveland. And the cool thing about this one is that's the only, I think also, the only DNS 5000 in all of Colorado. And the pay station's out here and the wash is there. Let's see, a 6, 8, 10, and 12.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $12. Please wait while your transaction is processed. If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
I'm good.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Wait, is there a quarter stuck in the slot? There is. Well, that's nice. I actually did not have high hopes for this place, but... Oh, they took away the cool patriotic skin, but still, it's worth filming this. Oh yeah, the treadle moves. I wonder why it does that on these things. Oh, this one does have dryers as well. Wait, why did it just spray soap? Oh. And it's like spraying soap on the car. This bay is really tight. Alright, there's the treadle. There we go. Colorado's only perhaps DNS machine as well. I'll pull up a picture in the video, but this machine used to have some really neat like retro graphics on it. So I wonder, like, they must have either swapped out the machine or they got the graphics swapped, but I don't know. Well, I was originally planning on just the Future and the one after this, but hey, not too often do I get an extra car wash that works. Dry foam and Dryer Pros dryers, I think is what those are. It's been a while since I've seen them. Well, I guess if the next machine doesn't work, this one will make up for it. deliveries coming up, I think. All the wash me's here in the northern Colorado area are pretty cool because they all have something different. There's our spot for you. And they're still pretty affordably priced as well. There's another Loveland site that has a Typhoon and a Water Wizard 1.0, but I figure I'd skip on that for now. I think it's got to park back in its normal spot before it's... Okay, it's getting in the car a little bit before the dryers come on. Timer's legible at least. I'm trying to get over that treadle. Oh, dryers are doing okay. It's about to run out. Alright, well, I'm actually glad that worked. Still pretty nice 5,000 there. I wonder why, like, the front plate of those treadles move when you first go into the car wash of a DNS. I've seen that before, not sure why that's the case, but anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this one, which I was not expecting to do, so, and that'll be it.